Samantha here with Massey Toyota. Today we're going to be looking at the 2018 Highlander XLE. This vehicle is an 8-speed automatic. It has a start and stop engine system, pre-collision system with pedestrian alert, chrome headlights, and fog lights. Your tires are 18-inch alloys that come with lane departure alert system. On your heated mirrors, you have an external blinker and blind spot monitoring system. If you fold them in, you can fit into more compact spaces. If you have your smart key in hand, a quick way to unlock all the doors is if you press on the double line. If you only want to unlock the driver's side, put your hand in the handle holding the smart key and it will unlock. Taking a look at the driver's side, you can see on the door there's storage below, and then up above are the controls for the windows and mirrors. Highlander floor mats are included, and your leather seats are automatic controls. So looking at the left side of your steering wheel, you have voice command controls, volume controls, and everything hands-free. On the right side, you have a lane departure alert system, backup sensors, cruise control options, and you can also use those little controls to navigate through your menu up on the dashboard. So on the dashboard, if you go left and right, you can look at different options like music, messages, and settings, and if you go up and down, you can get more options under each. Your center console now has a lot of storage space. If you slide back the top, you can easily put things in, but if you slide down the bottom part, you have more reach inside. This vehicle also comes with heated seat options for both the driver and the passenger. You have your gears right there, you have 2 cup holders, and you also have all these inputs and options below. Cigarette lighter, USB, aux cord, a traction and snow option, and outlets. Just right above and right below the main controls, you have a little storage space, and your hazards are located to the left right next to your dual cooling and heating system. Now onto your touchscreen navigation system. If you press the apps button, you can get to everything from audio to phone to navigation. So audio is a radio, and you can play FM or AM options. And above is your knob, and that controls the volume. And then if you can turn it off, and then when you go back to your apps, you can click on other things like setting, and you can connect your phone, and then you can also do other things like driver easy speak. And so that's when you speak into the little microphone. People in the third row can hear you better. It sends what you're saying live to them. And you can also look at the traffic patterns and what the traffic looks like, along with like the eco-friendly app. You can see how your car and your vehicle are doing. And then when you press home, you can see your navigation. Another cool feature is if you have kids sitting in the back, if you just flip this down, it's a sunglasses holder, but it also doubles as a mirror, so you can see people in the back seat. The XLE comes with a really cool moonroof. If you open it, it'll slide back. If you close it, it slides forward. And then you also have an option just to open up a little part of it. Now looking at the back seat, your door has little storage compartments and basic window controls. Your seats are leather in the back as well. And something that comes in a lot of hand if only 2 people are sitting in the back is the center console. So if you fold it down, it has 2 cup holders, which is really nice. So once you fold that up, if you look forward, you have a mini heating and cooling system controls for those people sitting in the back. You also have easily accessible outlets down below. So the last feature in the back seats are the screens. And if you're sitting in the back seat, you can just pull up these screens when the sun is in your eyes, and it makes it way more bearable. So the last feature you get with the XLE is the power lift gate. If you just hold down the trunk button on your smart key, the trunk will open right up. Once in the trunk, you can see there's a nice black overlaying mat. Fold that up and open up the floor storage, and you can see there's a jack and toolkit. Now once you pull up the black mats in the back, you can see that your car can do a 30-60 split. So that means you can fold up an extra seat in the back to fit in more people. Now when closing the trunk, there's a power liftgate button in the back. Press that button and the trunk will automatically shut. Don't forget that you can also open up the rear glass in the back. Well, that's it here at Massey Toyota. Thanks for watching our video of the 2018 Highlander XLE.